How to cancel Paramount subscription on Amazon. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to cancel your Paramount on Amazon. So there's actually two specific ways of doing this. First method is via the Paramount's official site or from the application. Head out into your account settings and then choose on cancel subscription. Now, however, if you would like to do this via the Amazon, all I have to do is to open up Amazon official site or maybe from the application. Both of them will work the same way. From here, all I have to do is to hover your mouse into accounts and list and then choose on membership and subscriptions. Now, all of the subscriptions that you have on Amazon will show here. All I have to do is to choose on Paramount Plus or Paramount General and choose on cancel subscription. Simply hit on confirm and then you're done. And that is how you cancel Paramount subscription on Amazon.